Generative AI, you've probably heard the buzz. From creating jaw-dropping art to writing scripts, music, and even video content, this technology is transforming industries and redefining creativity. But how does it actually work, and why is it becoming so popular? Today, we're diving into how generative AI is revolutionizing content creation, what tools are leading the charge, and where this tech is headed. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems capable of creating new content. Unlike traditional AI, which analyzes data or follows pre-programmed instructions, generative AI uses models like GPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney to produce human-like text, stunning visuals, or original audio based on simple prompts. The magic lies in machine learning, more specifically, deep learning, which trains these systems to understand patterns and reproduce them. Think of it like teaching an AI to learn from thousands of examples, whether it's art, stories, or music, and then letting it create something brand new on its own. So what are the top tools changing the game right now? ChatGPT by OpenAI is leading the charge in text-based content generation. It can write blogs, emails, and scripts just like this one, all within seconds. DALL-E and Midjourney create breathtaking visuals based on your descriptions. For artists and designers, generative AI is a creative companion. When it comes to video, tools like Runway and Pika Labs use AI to generate video content or assist with editing, making high-quality video production accessible to everyone. And for musicians, AI tools like Aiva can compose original music scores, customized to any style or mood. Generative AI isn't just for hobbyists, it's transforming entire industries. Businesses use AI to generate blogs, ad copy, and product visuals, saving hours of manual work. In the film and gaming industries, generative AI is used to design characters, write stories, and even produce soundtracks. AI tools are helping create personalized learning materials, making education more engaging and accessible. Artists are collaborating with AI to push creative boundaries, blending human imagination with machine learning. But with great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI also raises concerns around deepfakes, copyright issues, and job displacement. Despite these challenges, generative AI holds immense potential. As the technology evolves, collaboration between AI and humans will likely lead to more innovation, creativity, and opportunities. Generative AI is more than a trend, it's a game changer. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about tech, now is the time to explore how AI can enhance your work and creativity. Did you enjoy this video? Drop a comment below. How do you think AI will shape the future of content? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights here on Digital Decoder. Thanks for watching.